about myself. What like जब मैं BMW में बैठता हूँ, how do I feel? When I wear a Zara, how do I feel? Right? When I wear a sustainable clothing, what do I feel? I feel I'm saving the earth.
It's all about what the brand is resonating with the.
That comes later. But I'm now talking. What does the consumer feel? Suppose I bought a insurance policy for my wife and my kid. What do I feel? I feel I'm a responsible parent or a responsible husband. So feeling is different from a benefit. Ferrero, the feeling of eating a Ferrero or gifting a Ferrero is very different. Exactly. समझ गए? Sophistication. So ये सब आएगा values में. What do I feel about myself as a person? हाँ जी. Any question? Someone said sir.
Sir, it's trusted by every age group. मतलब हर एज ग्रुप का पर्सन पहनता है वो वाला शू.
नहीं. वो इसमें आएगा बेटा. वो रियलिटी है. हर एज ग्रुप का बंदा पहनता है, वो रियलिटी है. वैल्यूज पता है क्या है? वैल्यूज बताओ मैं क्या है? आप ही के पॉइंट को लेके बता रहा हूँ. आई ऑन सम डेज आई वेयर अ स्नीकर. सो व्हाट डू आई फील आफ्टर वेयरिंग अ स्नीकर? सुपर. आई फील यंग. वेरी डिफरेंट.
It's all about the mindset.
हाँ,
It's all about the mindset.
माइंडसेट है वो. जैसे अगर मैंने जॉर्डन पहनी, मेरे पास भी है जॉर्डन, मैं बेटे की ले लेता हूँ. मेरे बेटे और मेरी एक ही साइज है. ठीक है. कभी कभी मैं जॉर्डन पहन लेता हूँ. वो मेरा बुड्ढा पहन रहा है जॉर्डन, मुझे खुश होने दे. What do I feel? I feel oh I'm cool. I feel I'm cool. I may not be cool to you.
Part of the culture.
I'm included in the culture. I'm part of the culture. So you understand the difference?
Yes, sir.
It's very different from for all ages. तो दुकान में लिखा हुआ है for all ages. जब मैं खरीद के पहनता हूँ मुझे लगता है यार मेरे 20 साल नॉकअप हो चुके हैं, 30 साल नॉकअप हो चुके हैं. ठीक है. So understand that. Then comes who said persona? One of the layers, personality of the brand. Now, many people in many colleges when I say भाई मेरे को बताओ कि चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स की क्या ब्रांड पर्सनालिटी है? कोई तो बोलते तो नो, ही इज द ब्रांड एम्बेसडर.
Yes.
पर्सनालिटी वो होती है जो कि if the brand were a person, उसके क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होंगे? क्या वो ह्यूमरस होगा? क्या वो रिस्पेक्टेड प्रोफेसर जैसा होगा? क्या वो ऑर्गेनाइज होगा? क्या वो इम्पल्सिव होगा? क्या वो शांत होगा? So you have to understand. So don't give me names of people.
Like if you ever buy a Cadbury, it's like assumed as you are a lover boy.
Is it Cadbury's or is it
Silk.
Yes. See, exactly. But you can't say Amitabh Bachchan.
हाँ, correct.
Because that Dairy Milk ad में Amitabh Bachchan आते थे, तो that's not the point. Elegant person, a person who's thoughtful while gifting. ये नहीं कि कुछ भी उठा के दे दिया. He's actually taken the effort of saying, I want to gift you Ferrero. So think about that. There will be more. So don't just knock off your answer right here. But if the brand were a person, what will be his characteristics? Bubbly.
Yes.
Are you bubbly? People say that.
Yes.
What do they people say about you?
She's cute.
So that's a personality trait, right? So think of personality traits when you look at people around you and you attribute certain personality traits to them, right? So that कोई geek है, कोई so geeky brand बताओ मेरे को कोई geek. Like if I use X laptop, I feel like a geek. कौन है? हाँ?
Yes.
Very good. When you ROG Republic of Gamers या Dell का जो क्या आता है वो बड़े लाखों का आता है. Asus and all of that. But there is a laptop I use. It make the personality is a creative person. Which is that? Mac is creative thing. So personality traits वहाँ आती है बच्चों. ठीक है. अब इन सबको निचोड़ के एक essence आता है. The essence will be a distillation of all. You understand? So some of you, now I know that you are a very bright bunch. You already cracked your essence. Suppose you crack your essence, then you go back. But give me all the 5 layers. You understand? अब मैं इस स्क्रीन को यहीं पे फिक्स करूँगा. You can take 15 minutes Only 15 minutes. No, see, after that I have to finish this and then go. So it's 3:10 now. I'll give you the 3:25. Is that fine? Okay. I'll give you some paper. No. Let's do it this way. सबको मैं let me give you 5 each. Attributes, benefits, values, personality, essence. Got it? Attributes. डिस्कस करो. आप लोगों में बनती नहीं है क्या? ये देखो कितना चर्चा कर रहे हैं. Startup box. Attributes. Yes. लिखा हुआ उधर यार. हाँ जी. Attributes. क्या? मैं अभी एग्जाम्पल देने वाला हूँ आपको भाइयों. Attributes, benefits, values, personality. Okay, guys, 1 second. Time अभी शुरू नहीं हुआ है. 1 second, guys. Time is not started yet. I'm going to give you 2 examples. Okay, and we make it quick. And this is a 5-minute exercise. I'm going to talk about 2 brands. Mercedes and BMW. Everybody knows Mercedes?
Yes.
Everybody knows BMW?
Yes.
Okay. Now imagine there is no logo in that. 2 गाड़ियां आपके सामने खड़ी है, logo नहीं नजर आ रहा. Attributes. BMW के attributes बताओ.
Performance.
नहीं, sporty देखो values में आ गया. What a person feels about himself. Don't say that.
Sir, performance.
See, I'm saying right now you don't see the logo. हाँ जी.
Luxurious car.
Luxury.
Yes.
Very good. Luxury is attribute. Both are luxury.
Yes.
Shape. Then design कर देते हैं उसको. Comfort. Wheels. Very good.
Performance.
Performance. Both are performance cars. सब same है both.
Comfort.
नहीं sir, same नहीं.
Light. ठीक है. So okay, keep it to this, guys. Most important you forgot.
Status.
Status. दोनों में status है. एक और है.
Comfort.
Both of them are German. Both of them. So I'm talking facts right now. I'm not saying German is better. They are German. Shape, comfort बोल दिया किसी ने. Performance बोल दिया, luxury बोल दिया. ठीक है? यहाँ तक दोनों सेम है. अब आप दूसरे लेयर पे आए. Benefit. What does it give to the person who is driving both of them? Comfort, status, speed, performance, safety,
Happiness.
Sense of class.
क्लास.
Happiness.
तो ये सारी चीजें फिर भी जेनेरिक हो गई. ये बता ऐसा तो नहीं है कि BMW का ज्यादा क्लास है, मर्सिडीज का ज्यादा क्लास है. समझ गए? यहाँ तक लोगो छुपे हुए हैं. Guys, understood?
Yes.
यहाँ अभी पहले 2 लेयर में दोनों सेम है. तीसरा लेयर आता है. यहाँ शुरू होता है खेल. Values. What does the person feel while? What does the owner of a Mercedes feel?
Sir, luxurious.
Very like comfort.
Okay, who said superior? Rich, classy, superior, rich, classy, delight, then
Not delight.
हाँ elite है. हाँ elite, no problem. हाँ
Posh.
posh, no problem. अभी आ रहा हूँ उस पे. I don't think the
And
Mercedes guy feels cool about
I don't
it.
know how to put it, but
Professional, very good. Sophisticated, successful, sophisticated. हाँ जी बोलो शुभम.
so it's like कि if you're driving a Mercedes, it makes you feel like कि you own this place.
Superb. You know, I want to clap for you. Please clap for him. The biggest values of Mercedes is I own a Mercedes. I own this. Achiever, very good. मतलब वो achieve किया.
फेमस नहीं है.
फिर मैंने reward मिला मुझे. मैंने अपने आप को reward किया है. ठीक है? Very nice. Fabulous. Now let's do the same for BMW. What does the person feel about BMW?
Sporty.
Superb. किसी ने बोला Mercedes में sporty? Superb. और
पलटी है तो फिर सारी जाती है.
cool. मैंने इसलिए नहीं cool BMW. हाँ मैंने बोल दिया मैंने. Cool. Very good. Sporty. Young. Fabulous. Sporty.